Welcome to Cracking the Code of Valuetainment, Unleashing Business Success. So, what exactly is valuetainment in business? Valuetainment combines value and entertainment, creating a powerful formula for success. In today's fast-paced business world, you need to grab people's attention and provide them with real value. That's where valuetainment comes in. It's all about delivering high-quality content that educates, entertains, and inspires. Valuetainment isn't just about being flashy or entertaining. It's about creating substance and depth. It's about providing practical knowledge and actionable insights that can truly make a difference in your business. So how can you crack the code of valuetainment? Start by understanding your audience and their needs. What are the biggest challenges they face? How can you provide solutions and help them overcome those obstacles? Next, focus on delivering your message in a captivating and engaging way. Use storytelling techniques, humor, and relatability to keep your audience hooked. Remember, it's not just about the information you provide, it's about how you deliver it. Lastly, always strive to deliver genuine value. Be consistent in providing valuable content that your audience can rely on. By doing so, you'll build trust, credibility, and a loyal following. In conclusion, valuetainment is the perfect blend of value and entertainment when it comes to business. By adopting this approach, you can stand out from the competition, engage your audience, and achieve unparalleled success. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it valuable, don't forget to subscribe to our Biz Ed Lab channel for more insightful content.